Please read this disclaimer carefully before proceeding further. Hello and welcome back to Analysis of Gold XAUUSD. My name is Vic. This is going to be a very quick update because not much has actually changed on gold since we last spoke. So, what has happened here? The gold actually came to this FCP zone. Okay, few people will consider this as a demand zone. Okay, that is also fine, but this is actually FCP zone, and we had few trend lines right there, which has pushed the market up, and we were expecting it to reach one of these levels, which was 1853.2 and 1867.5, and it has quite accurately reached there. And this is what I mentioned in the last analysis, that you should treat all of these levels as your profit targets and possible resistance levels, and take one trade at a time, like take one step at a time. And I was looking for short positions around here, went long, look for a short positions to this level, and then last week we went for a short position again. Okay, this is what we discussed in our FCP room as well. So here I mentioned that there was an FCP zone around here and which could push the price down. This was also covered with one of the students in the training program, and the market started to fall from that zone accurately. And then um, towards the end of the week, I mentioned that there was a W pattern forming and there were two FCP zones within the previous FCP zone, which meant that the market could fall further down. And ultimately, this actually played out very nicely. Okay, so it turned out to be like very good week on dollar on gold, because we had short-term opportunities, not much for like long-term swing opportunities. So this is what we did. We went long from here, and then we took a short from all the way down to this level, and then we took a short from this level. Okay, so this was near about approximately from here to here. This was approximately near about 265 pips, 257 pips. Okay, and from here to here, this was very quick, 111 pips or so. Okay, so was very easy because once you know how the market actually works, and once you know that there are W and M patterns everywhere, and if you can read those W and patterns, quantify them, then you will be able to just plan your trades around that. Okay, so what is happening right now? What can happen? So as I mentioned in the previous analysis, there can be a consolidation period, and the market has gone into this consolidation. But what you will notice that market actually broke this structure here. The market is right there, and then broke the structure here, and it went to a previous structure level here, and then started to fall down. So if the market continues to fall, if I get further confirmation to the downside, I will continue to hold that short position for a long period of time, basically up to this level here. Once that level here, right, which level is that? Let me actually put a line, because some of you actually complain they do not want to put a work themselves. That why don't you just open the chart and compare? But let me give you the levels here: 1844.75. Now this can actually change a little bit, but you see, if I get a confirmation here to stay in this short position for a longer period of time, then I will hold that up to this 1840 475. Why? Because you see the market is kind of consolidating, right? And until I see a break below and confirmation below 1840, I cannot anticipate an M pattern like this. So my plan is to hold this short position further down up to 1840 at the most. Okay, if I get any kind of indication that market wants to go higher, then I'll probably take early profits. But this is what it is. Okay, now on the bullish side of things, if the market breaks through this structure, because that's the last high that we had, so this is the last high that we have, is 1861. Okay, now there is nothing special about these levels, so let me change the colors of it. Now, if this market actually breaks through this and confirms it, okay, then I will not take a long onto this point, because this is very very close. The reward to risk ratio is not that good, right? Because this is only like $5 or $6. If you want to go for a day trade or scalp or something, then it is fine. But ultimately, I will further be looking for a confirmation above this area, above 1867, because that will open up this level here, 1884.29. Okay, so this is my plan. Again, The plan is I'm already short on one part of the position here. If I get a confirmation below this line of 1853.20, where it is right now, 1853.586, then I will continue to hold that short position all the way down to 1844.75. If I get a confirmation below this, then I'll continue to hold that, or I'll start a new short position. But my plan is to just stay in this short until 1844.75. Okay. If the market starts to go higher from here or from somewhere around here, or if I do not get a confirmation, then I will close that short position. If the market breaks through this level of 1861.8 and confirms it, I will not go for a long position for a swing trade. I can go for a short term day trade or scalp or something like that. But for swing trading from swing trading point of view, I will wait for a confirmation above 1867.5, and then I will ride into this 1884.290, and I'll take one step at a time, because when I'll reach there, it can still fall down. Okay, so one step at a time. So this is what we have on gold. Hope you enjoyed this analysis. Quick update on this. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders, because they will also be able to benefit from this. And your support is absolutely essential for these videos, these free analysis to continue in future. So make sure that you support this channel and support this video. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Have a great time. If you're interested in learning how to analyze the markets the way I do using Fibonacci Confluence, then head over to Vikinsa.com, and under training section you'll be able to see Core Strategy Training Program. On this page you'll be able to see the testimonials of previous students, and also look at the brochure. The brochure has a lot more information, including the course structure and the Fibonacci Confluence Training Program curriculum. This is a very extensive program in which we cover basic core Fibonacci concepts along with the advanced concepts to analyze the markets with high probability. If you're interested in joining this program, come to Vikinsa.com, and under training section you'll be able to see and submit this form.